In today's video, I will explain how to install Google Play Store and Google Apps in mobile phone with Chinese ROM in 2021. In order to install Play Store successfully, we usually need Google Services Framework, Google Account Management, Google Play Service, Google Calendar in our mobile phone, and after installing these files, we can install Play Store. To install these files automatically in your mobile phone, copy this link. I will give this link in description and paste this link in Google in your browser and then search it. You will find this page and you can read these instructions. Basically, if Google Services Framework, Google Account Management or any other service is already installed in your phone, you must remove it before installing Google Installer. So click download Google Installer APK and it will open the link in uptodown.com, and this website has many softwares. You can click on latest version and then click download, and this download will start for you. You can install this software and then run it, and it will install all these files automatically in your mobile phone. If these files are not present in your mobile phone, only then this will work. I have already made a video in 2018 about this, and I will post its link in description. You can watch that video for more detail. In today's video, I will explain manual installation procedure in detail. If some of these apps are already installed in your mobile phone and you cannot remove those because those are system apps, then you can watch this video and I will teach you how to install these apps manually in your mobile phone. For manual installation, first copy Google Services Framework. You need to download this software manually and install in your mobile phone. You can download this from this uptodown.com. You can go and search this software in this website and you will find its link. Then you can download it from uptodown.com and hopefully it will work for you. Please follow this procedure to install this software in your mobile phone. You can search it from uptodown.com, click latest version, and after this another window will appear, and then you should click download, and after clicking download you can download this and install in your mobile phone. Likewise, the next software, Google Account Management, you can install this, but this is not available in uptodown.com. You can search it from Google. You should open your browser and paste this name in Google. Then you can search it and download from a good link. I am showing you the link where you can download this. You can download this from apkmirror.com from this link. So then you can just follow the procedure on this website and click on download button. You can find the download button, click on that. Here is the download APK option. You can download and install this from this option. Download will start when you will click download option. Here you can see. So you can install the second software from apkmirror.com. Remember that you need to do manual installation only when some of these services, some of these apps are already present in your mobile phone. Mostly Google Service Framework already exists in mobile phone, and then you need to install other software manually according to this method. Otherwise, automatic installation that I've already demonstrated in other video will work for you. So for manual installation, you can also copy paste other software like Google Calendar, etc. in uptodown and search and install these software manually, and at the end you have to install Google Play Store. So I am searching Google Calendar. You can click on this link and then you can click on latest version, then download, and it will download for you and you can install it. So after this, installation will begin. Download will begin. You can click OK and download this and install in your mobile phone. At the end, you can search Google Play Store in uptodown.com. So after installing other missing apps, you can install Google Play in your mobile phone, and hopefully everything will work for you. If it gives you any error, then you can also write a name of your Android system like Android 10, Android 9, along with the name of Google Play, and it will give you the right version which you can install in your mobile phone, and everything will work for you. Friends, I myself manually installed Google Play Store in my Mate 9 because Google Services framework already exists in my mobile phone.